Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your device through recovery mode. Now, I'll be honest straight away, you can do this much simpler by just plugging it in right away. And if you know the pattern to your device, pin or whatever, actually not, I think it's just pin, then unlock your screen and just go through iTunes or Finder, and you can do it right here, restore iPhone. This will reset it. But for people that might have just forgotten then their PIN or whatever it is, Face ID, stuff like that, if you're basically locked out of your device but you still know your iCloud account, then you can reset the device through recovery mode. Now to do so, you want to have it plugged in, and you'll press volume up, then volume down, and you will hold power key for the remainder of the time. So I'm going to do that right now. Up, down, power. You'll see the phone disappears from iTunes. It starts to turn on, though give it a moment. I'm still holding power key, keep in mind. There we go. It shows up with this icon right here, and this is our recovery mode. So from here we can do update or restore, though I'm not sure what am I updating, considering I am running right now the latest version of iOS, which is 6.0.2 if I'm correct. But normally if you select restore and you haven't done this before, number one, you will be forced to update to the newest version of iOS, and most likely you won't have it downloaded. So when you select restore, instead of seeing restore and update, instead of seeing this preparing iPhone for restore, and next it should give me a extracting or something along those lines. Come on, waiting for iPhone. Come on. It looks like you're done through recovery mode is a little bit more annoying. Normally you just completely miss out on the verification portion and stuff like that, and it should go straight to extracting the iOS. Now, like I mentioned, considering you haven't done this before, you will have a little pop-up right here, a download button, and it will show you the progress of your iOS download. So it will be downloading the newest one. And even if you are running the newest version of iOS on your phone, maybe you've done an update through settings, then it doesn't matter, because on your computer, the chances are you don't have it. So you will need to re-download it on your computer, then it will begin extracting it and installing it into your phone. So there we go. Now, with that being said, this process will take probably like 5 to 10 minutes, so just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Okay, so as you can see, the process is now finished, and you could almost set up your device however you like. But for me, it looks like I need to verify it because it became locked for some stupid reason, considering I wasn't even logged into the iCloud after restoring it. But yeah, in normal circumstances you could just go through the setup or leave it at this stage. But anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.